everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this drawstring bucket bag. I think it's really cute. It turned out really well, and it can actually hold quite a bit for how small it is, but I really like it. So I hope you guys do too, and if you want to know how to make it, then just keep watching. Alright, so you're going to begin by cutting 2 circle pieces, one out of the lining, one out of the outer fabric, 2 body pieces, a strap, and 2 ties. And I will put the dimensions for everything in the description box so you can make it the same size if you would like. With those body pieces, I just fold them over and cut them so they're just 2 pieces. Put those right sides together, that's for both the lining and the outer fabric. And then you're going to mark about 1.5 inches down from the top. You're going to pin and sew and stop at that mark so the top 1.5 inches are open. And I'm watching Bailey Sarian. She's really cool. Go check her out. So we've got those little top parts open. And next we're going to pin and sew the circle to the bottom. This just takes a little time and some maneuvering, but once you get it, go ahead and sew that down. Flip one of them right sides out, put it inside the one that's right side inside. Wrong side out, I guess. Put them in there, and you're going to pin and sew this at the top, right sides together. Be sure to catch those little V's. You're also going to leave a small opening so you can flip the entire bag right sides out. So here we are, top's all sewn. All right, now we're going to top stitch all of that. And now we're going to fold those top little flaps down and pin and sew right at the bottom edge as close as you can, because we're going to make this a casing. Let's go ahead and sew that down on either side. And as you can see, there's like a little, now it's like a little tube. All right, set that aside, and we're going to work on the strap. So this is just as long as you want it. I made mine like it could kind of be a crossbody almost. So go ahead and pin and sew all the way down, right sides together to make a long tube. And then you're going to flip it right sides out, and then I just top stitch down one side. I also folded in the edges to make them look nice and pretty. I then decide where I want them on the bag, and then I pin, and then I sew a square around. Alrighty, now the strap is attached and we can work on the ties. So got 2 ties out of the lining material. You can use a ribbon or anything like that, but this is what I had, so I sewed 2 little tubes right sides together, flip them right sides out, and I then fold them in half and put a safety pin in the middle. This will help me feed it through the casing. So one side you're going to feed it through the loop facing one way, and then the other way the loop will face the other way. It doesn't really make sense, but if you look what I'm doing, you'll see that there's open ends on one side and open ends on the other, and you'll feed it through that little loop. So kind of tie them together, and then you're going to stitch together those 2 loose ends. Next, I made these little kind of caps for the ends, just to tuck all the raw edges in. And then stitch that down in a little square as well. And once you do that, you are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below. If you want to see more from me, then please subscribe. I do DIYs like this. Sometimes I do upcycling videos of old t-shirts or whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!